Good morning, peeps. Hope you're all well. Hoping to get back to some sort of normality soon, but we'll see what happens on that one. So today we have decided to do the front slam panel. My God, it's just turning out to be an absolute nightmare. Loads of rust. The old one was absolutely rotten. But yeah, entertaining, say the least. We have started painting the new one to go on. I'm basically the stuff that's hidden behind the bumper, I am going to paint in undersill. Again, it's not going to be seen, but it just gives it that protection it needs. So I have got to do that in a moment. I'll show you where we're at and what we found. And then we'll go through, obviously, the damage on the old one. And okay, so this is the old unit. Absolutely rotten. If I can show you down there, it's just falling apart, and we were bent in this corner as well, so that wasn't sitting straight. You can just about see the damage there. It actually bent the bolts, and as you can see down here, this is all wet from the power steering cooler. That was annoying, but I'll get onto that shortly. Because unfortunately I do need to change the plastics around which sits on the radiator. It is broken in a few places. It's just irritating. The power steering cooler actually comes through the plastic, but you know, it is what it is. We'll get around it. Show you around the front, and here we are. This is the worst corner. If I can get it to zoom. So there you go. So this corner down here is completely rotten. That needs addressing. You can, it's not very focusing properly, but also it is all bent along here. This was from the previous impact it had from the previous owner. But we're getting there with that. I've managed to get these bolts out. That was where the damage was on the old frame, and the bolts down here, I just want to say, are red hot, so I had to put some heat on them, and they are completely bent. But a couple of new bolts in there, and that should be golden. So things like here, I'm just wire brushing while I'm here, fresh coat of paint just to tidy it up. And again, that is the cooler. And I had the old like pinch clips, so I managed to get them off. I am going to put Jubilee clips on it, which will just make it a lot better. This side isn't as bad. You know, we are pretty clean under there, although we do have a bit of rust here and here. Now, technically speaking, I should tackle this and get it done, but it is going to the shop to get all the welding done underneath on the front, so that will be for the garage. But I'm going to get a new front slam panel on anyway. It's just a peace of mind. It's tidy. But that's where we're at. It's just a mess. And trying to get the radiator to sit in place and to get it out of the way without losing all the fresh antifreeze, that was another drama. But generally speaking, we need, you know, on the stage now, we can just tidy up, get everything clean, and get a few things painted up, and then we can actually get a new panel on, and we should be golden. But I'm going to crack on, and I'll get back to you shortly. Morning all, hope everyone is well. Following on from the other two videos where we were doing the front end, we are on day number 3. Didn't go as well as we had hoped. Basically over here, this corner, this is where it had that impact. It was all bent, so nothing was lining up. We also had the LED lights on, and they were a complete one unit, and I was struggling to get them just to fit properly. So we have recently, after that, bought new lights, new bumper, new grille, and now we're in the middle of just getting everything prepped up and getting everything back onto it. But as you can see, the new slam panel is all painted, it's all been treated, it's all on, and the new lights on now, so we've just got to do a few more bit of tinkering just to get them level, and that'll all be good. As you can see over there as well, we have got my wife and the other 2 children. Everyone is helping out. We are going to paint the front end in satin black, so that's all good. So that's where we're at the moment. The bumper will need to be painted at some point. I don't know if that's going to get done today. But also, while I was waiting for parts to turn up, we have managed to fit the new inner and outer sill. So a lot better than how it was. We are still doing prep work on that just to sort of get that finished, but no more rust holes, so that's good. But also, amongst all the other stuff, we have got some new Audi wheels to go on. These do need a refurb to make perfect, but we do have some 20mm hub-centric spacers to go on, so that should make them sit quite nice and level with the arches. So yeah, we've got lots going on. Been a bit busy to keep on getting videos. Like I say, I was waiting for parts for that front end. So, but yeah, we'll wrap this one up here, and I'll probably come back to you once we're putting the wheels on and stuff like that. But I hope everyone is well. But please like, please subscribe, and I'll speak to you all soon.